When I left my room today, it looked like this is going to happen, you know.
Our plan was to do a launch of our 30 million cubic foot balloon at approximately 6:30 this morning. There were concerns as to the wind conditions at ground levels all the way up through to above 750 feet.
Pins out. Run. Run. It's all going to come down to the winds above the ground. We're expecting that 500 to 800 feet level winds will be the real factor on whether or not we can launch today.
At 6:30, these winds were still showing that they were going to be too high for a launch, so the decision was made to delay. We delayed approximately 5 hours.
And even that delay didn't create a lot of drama, because I thought, okay, if the wind goes down anyway, so launch at 11.
The reality is we've got a person's life at stake, and so our primary concern is making sure that we're launching in the best conditions possible to be able to get him into the air. At about 11:42, we experienced a gust of wind, which I'm sure you all saw, that took us to above 22 knots at the peak of the balloon.
We're going to call a cancel for the mission today due to gusty winds.
And that was a total disappointment, honestly. But as long as we have a spare balloon, and as long as we have more launch opportunities, I'm good.
We have a backup balloon with the intention of doing a second attempt here.
I want to break the speed of sound, no matter what it takes. I'm willing to go the extra mile. I'm ready. Tomorrow, Thursday next week, I don't care.